In this video, we'll practice talking about prices and amounts. In these two questions, how much is the milk? How much are the cookies? You're asking about price. The easiest way to ask about a price is to ask the question with how much. If it's a non-count noun, you're going to use the verb is. This is a non-count noun. With a count noun, and you can tell it's a count noun because there's the plural here. You're going to say how much are, and then the item. Usually you'll use the article, the. How much are the cookies? These two questions ask about price. When you ask about the amount or the number of something, you'll use how much for non-count nouns such as milk, or you'll use how many for count nouns. Again, the count noun is usually indicated with the plural, and you want to know the number. So you'll say, how many cookies are there? Or, how much milk is there? How much is the water? Water is a non-count noun. So when I ask about the price, I'll say, how much is? The answer uses the singular, is. It's 69 cents. You can also say it's 69 cents for a bottle. This is one bottle of water, and so I'd say it's 69 cents a bottle, or 69 cents for a bottle. For cookies, how much are the cookies? The word cookie is a count noun. I'm using the plural. How much are the cookies? They're $2.29. Here's a decimal point. After the 2, say dollars and 29 cents. $2 and 29 cents. When asking about price, you can also use the verb cost. How much does the water cost? This is the helping verb. The word water is a non-count noun, so we treat it as singular. How much does the water cost? The answer, it costs 69 cents. How much do the cookies cost? This is plural, so we use a plural helping verb, do, and the main verb is cost. How much do the cookies cost? The answer, using this plural pronoun, they cost $2.29. Again, the difference here is the word water is a non-count noun. So when you ask about things such as rice, butter, milk, pop, oil, you're going to be using the singular verb when asking the question and when giving the answer. And this is a count noun, so when asking the question, you'll use the plural and use the plural in the answer also. How much do the cookies cost? They cost $2.29. When asking questions for amounts, you have a choice between how much and how many. Water is a non-count noun, so I'll say, how much water is there? And the answer, there's a lot of water. Water is a non-count noun, so I'll say there's. How many cookies are there? Cookies is a count noun, and I'll say there are a lot of cookies. If it's negative in each case, how much water is there? There isn't a lot of water. This is for a small amount. And if it's negative for a non-count noun, or I'm sorry, a count noun, then you say there aren't a lot of cookies. For a small amount, there aren't a lot of cookies. If the number is 0 in both cases, then you say, if it's 0, there isn't any water. Or for cookies, and it's 0, you'd say, there aren't any cookies.